Good evening, everyone. I'm James Wetzel, the producer of adult programs at the Museum of Science, and I am thrilled to welcome you to our SubSpace Sessions with Abraham. Tonight is a part of our virtual season of adult programming, which is a part of our MOS at Home initiative. We have turned the Museum of Science into a virtual museum, offering free STEM-related programming on a daily basis through our digital platforms. And as a part of that, we have launched our SubSpace Adult Programs After Dark channel to host tonight's event and the rest of our incredible lineup over the next couple of months. We have some great experiences still in store for you, all for free, all virtual, and all for adults ages 18 plus. And I'm so excited tonight to be able to continue with our new digital series, SubSpace Sessions. These are inspired by our live music collaborations that take place in the Charles Hayden Planetarium normally. And we work with some of Boston's best artists to fuse together their music with the incredible technology of the planetarium full dome medium. And the end results are really immersive, incredible live shows and a new way for audiences to experience the music that they love. And we're giving you a taste of that experience tonight. Abraham was supposed to play the Dome right about now, but we do look forward to the future when they can join us again in person. But for tonight, we're thrilled about this collaboration and to bring this into all of your homes. And I need to thank our friends from the Lowell Institute, without whom tonight would not be possible. It is because of them that this event is happening, and it's happening for free. So please join me in giving a huge virtual round of applause and thanks to the Lowell Institute. And if you enjoy yourself tonight and enjoy this experience, I ask you to go to mos.org/Science Matters and show your support for the MOS at Home initiative and allow us to keep bringing events like this into your homes during this time of isolation. Once again, that's mos.org/Science Matters. And now I'm so thrilled to turn it over to Abraham to kick off the show. Thanks again and enjoy.
Hello, scientists and fans of museums. My name is Abraham, and this is my herd. If you'd like to join us, please find us on the interwebs at Music of Abraham. That includes the Facebook and the Instagram. We are very excited to share with you some brand new music we have not released yet. It is a sneak peek only for those of you in quarantine who love science. And it is called Snake Charmer. It's about snakes and charming people. And we hope you love it. And we want to shout out James, Museum of Science. We're sorry we can't meet you in person, but we very much look forward to being connected together in the flesh as soon as we have annihilated the virus.
Statuesque, cold as ice, little red dress, she doesn't smile. I am completely obsessed. She's the perfect shape, the perfect silhouette. I want your sickness, I can't resist no more. Snake charmer, slowly approach, the temperature is rising. Prepare to strike any moment. Suddenly she shakes her pose, hips begin to twitch, swaying from side to side, paralyzed by her song. I want your sickness, I can't resist no more. You're such a snake charmer. Snake charmer. You're such a snake Life is nothing but a vanishing dream. No legacy escapes eternity. God only knows the reasons why vibrations can travel through time. Every existence fades away. Attica, Attica, the music never stops. Attica, I'm at a loss for words, but the music never stops. Don't fall for this moment. Do not get trapped in it, 'cause it will pass just like the rest. Breathe till you run out of breath. Every existence fades. Every existence ends the same. Attica, Attica, the music never stops. Attica, I'm at a loss for words. The music never stops. It keeps on going, always flowing, just like poetry. It's everlasting, as long as the birds sing. A song that needs no words to say. Let everything fade. Attica, Attica, the music never stops. Attica, I'm at a loss for words, but the music never stops. Stop, 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 Sleepless nights made me a daydreamer, 'cause I can't find what I'm searching
searching for here, chasing after runaways with brick shoes, head lost in fantasy with everything to lose. She waits with her patient arms, and says, stay with me. Petrified, frozen in time, between a rock and a hard place. 'Cause I couldn't bear the weight of consequence, having to choose who I am. She was ready, she had needs. She said, baby, don't go, don't leave. Just give it one more day. All the time